So, welcome back to another Shop Talk. It's been a while.
It's been a while.
Yeah.
That's a Stain song.
Yeah, it's been a while.
It's been a while.
It's been a while. Yeah. I mean, so we got me, Mike, and we have Sean with us today too.
Hello.
Sean's over there. This is other Mike.
Thanks, Mike.
So we, you guys just wired up Mike's race bike.
We electrically wired up the bike, yes. So when you talk about the race bike, you got to specify. Is the bike wired? What do you mean? Safety wired?
Oh, that's right, yeah.
It's two different wires.
There's a lot to building a race bike.
There's a lot to building a race
We
bike.
basically rewired the whole thing.
Rewired the whole
Yes.
thing?
Yeah.
We took the harness out, threw it on the floor, stomped on it,
It's around here someplace.
and then we just ran like 3 wires, and that's it.
Yeah? That's it?
Bare essentials.
Bare essentials.
Yeah, it was funny because now, and these are your own words if I remember correctly, you'd rather cut and crimp wires than turn wrenches.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'll be honest, yeah.
I don't speak French, so I don't know what you're talking about right there. That's crazy talk to me.
Yeah, good to work here because that's true.
You are the right man for the job.
Yeah. Right. So yeah, we're back in for a couple days, getting everything pulled out and fixed, and now you're ready to go racing.
Race season's starting soon, so you know, in the fall, when you think you have all winter, all of a sudden the winter's over and it's spring, and the season's here, and there's a long list of things to be done. This weekend is New England Motorcycle Road Racing, NEMRR, I think. That's their opening weekend, but that's not us. I race old bikes, so we have a few more weeks.
So when is your opening weekend?
June 10th-ish, I think. June 10th.
Oh,
June 10th?
So it is coming up.
It is coming up. There's still a lot to do.
Yeah? What do you have left to do? All the safety wires.
What do I have left to do? Where's
The
my
ground
list?
Put gas in the tank, right?
A belly pan, mount the bodywork.
What I've learned from this is building a race bike is super easy.
If you don't want
Don't buy a
don't ask me.
pre-made.
Yeah, I think one of the very first videos, or maybe even the very first video we did, we talked about vintage road racing, and we said the best thing to do is to buy a motorcycle that's already done, ready to go, and you're way ahead of the game. And I remember saying that. We probably have footage of it.
I might put it in.
Yeah.
So I'm not going to take a $7,000 street bike,
Yeah.
Right.
and then put $3,000 into it to make a $3,500 race bike.
Exactly,
So you're
exactly,
better off going
exactly.
out and buying something that's already done, it's
Yep.
already ready to
Yeah,
go.
definitely.
And I didn't do that. I bought an old street bike that's been sitting for God knows how long, I think the mid or late 90s, and then decided to convert that bike over. So I did not take my own
It
advice.
was exactly the opposite of what you said to do.
I did the exact opposite. It's like talking to my son. Don't do what I do, just do what I say.
Well, the good thing is though, like I said, it's coming along.
It's coming along.
It looks good.
It's a rad bike.
It is. It's a pretty rare bike, right?
It is a rare bike.
It's a bike that you don't want to turn into a street race. You want to keep stock. But
It's a 1990 Ducati 750 Sport, so there's not a lot of them around. It's the bridge between the F1 and the 900 SS. It's the poor man's F1. There's not a lot of them at all, so it was kind of a...
You bought it. It's your bike.
I bought it, and I looked at it for a few weeks, and I'm like, should I or shouldn't I? And then I just started taking stuff apart, so...
Yep. Start hacking into the frame.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got to drill a few new holes in the frame.
We had to drill some frame holes to mount some things.
Yep.
Speed holes.
Speed holes. Yeah, we took a unibit. Right in.
All cringing right now.
That's right.
Well, that's the point where I handed him the drill. I said, if we're drilling holes in your bike, you're doing it, not me.
Well, it's not crimping and stripping wires, so it's not your wheelhouse.
Oh, I don't mind drilling my bike. I'm just not drilling your bike.
I'm happy you handed me the drill.
Yeah.
And of course the bit walked and I was off center, so it's all part of it. But the electrical wiring's done. We're waiting on a battery to come in. I wouldn't have been able to do it. I am not very good.
We ran into
That's why we have Sean.
a unique wire on the bike, right? The trigger wire.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God. Whoever did that just.
Well, it was why? What was?
It's like a coaxial cable.
Magneti Morelli.
They they took the pickup wire, they completely stripped all the insulation off of it, wrapped it around the shielded wire, and then at the end, they basically just spliced it back in. It's
Very strange.
Dumbest thing.
Very strange. That's gone now.
That's gone. Yes. Fix that.
We spliced that out.
Sean fixed
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. I am
Yeah,
running the old ignition system, so one of the upgrades in the future is probably upgrade the ignition system, and then we'll get Sean back out here again, because I'm not doing it.
I've honestly never seen that. It's
Well, it's a Ducati.
It's an old Ducati.
Yeah.
It's a weird era for Ducati.
A weird era.
It
just
is.
one of those things that you look at and you just go, why?
Mm-hmm. Listen, I say that every time I see somebody driving a Ducati. Why?
I don't know.
Says the guy that rides a Honda 50 down the street that has Boss Hog, bullhorn thing on the front of it for handlebars.
There's no coaxial cable on my bike.
This is true. You got me there.
There might be some on the three-wheeler.
Speaker wire.
Speaker
It's
wire.
wired with
I
speaker
will
wire.
put speaker
and
wire
wire
on the
nuts.
three-wheeler. That's
Hey,
a great idea.
We do see that on
We
warranty
do.
stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't use speaker wire on your
No.
motorbike. Not even for the speakers.
And don't use wire nuts either. Please.
So Sean deals with all the RAs that come in here, so that'll be another good video we can do. Talking about all the odd things you've seen.
Oh, warranty greatest hits?
Yeah.
We'll
Yes.
put it out.
I
We'll
call
do
it the
that.
Hall of Shame. There is a fantastic file in our computers called the Hall of Shame. There are some interesting things.
Very interesting.
Awesome. Well, tune in next time so you can see the Hall of Shame.
Yeah.
Maybe.
The Hall of
Alright.
Shame. Maybe you'll hear the motorbike run and whatever else we can think of.
Come see us at the races. It'll be fun.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. Walk around the pits, kick the bike over, whatever.
Well, it's going to fall over anyway.
It's gonna have a Rick sticker on it,
Yeah.
too, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Rick sticker. Until then,
That's it.
have fun, stay safe, have fun.
And stay safe, have fun, ride motorbikes.
What he said.
Everybody ought to get on the racetrack at least once. Yeah.